The beauty of Japan's changing seasons, a harmony of tradition, technology, and culture, gave rise to excellence in manufacturing, a constant pursuit of beauty, durability, and usability. Panasonic products from Japan are deeply imbued with this Japanese spirit. Japan's traditional fashions demand high-performance washing machines that clean without damaging fabrics. This high quality has won worldwide acclaim. Panasonic sets the bar high in manufacturing, continually subjecting its washing machines to rigorous testing. Trouble-free operation, no matter how harsh the environment. From hot and humid to extreme cold, products are subjected to myriad conditions. They are carefully checked for condensation and effects on electrical performance. Doors are repeatedly opened and closed. For the toughness and durability to resist mechanical failure, a vertical-horizontal vibration test is performed. Also, impact and shock resistance tests. Dependability, wear and function tests ensure years of use. Reliable, comfortably quiet operation. Operating noise is tested in an anechoic chamber. Microphones are aimed from 3 directions. Every product on the production line undergoes a water leakage test. Only after passing all of these tests is a product shipped. Japan's manufacturing excellence has become a global standard. A simple, sleek, and elegant form, tough enough to withstand years of use. Convenient, easy-to-use features, all guaranteed by Japan quality.
Panasonic.